Our given equation is
PCl.
PCl5 yields to PCl3 plus Cl2. Our given Kc value is 0.024 at 250 degrees Celsius. Each element of the equation is given a certain amount of moles. For PCl5, there are 0.0015 moles. For PCl3, there are 0.044 moles. And for Cl2, there are 0.011 moles. We are also given the total amount of liters, which is 3 liters. We can find the molarity of each element in the equation by putting the amount of moles over the total amount of liters. So, for PCl5, we get 0.0050 molarity. For PCl3, we get 0.015 molarity. And for Cl2, we get 0.0037 molarity. We then plug that in to the ice table into the initial row. The next step is to find the Q of the equation, the Q value of the equation. We set up the Q value by putting the products over the reactant. We input the molarity values into this equation to get 0.111. We then compare the Q value to the Kc value. And since the Kc value is less than the Q value, the reaction will go in the reverse direction. It will go to the left, meaning that the element on the left side will gain and the two elements on the right side will lose, indicating that this side will have a plus sign and these two sides will have a negative sign. We then do simple addition to find the amounts at equilibrium. We add the initial row to the change row to get this. So for PCl5, it is 0.0050 plus x. For PCl3, it is 0.015 minus x. And for Cl2, it is 0.0037 minus x.
The next step is to say that Kc equals PCl3 times Cl2 divided by PCl5. We then plug in what we know. So 0.024 equals 0.015 minus x times 0.0037 minus x, all divided by 0.00050 plus x. Then we multiply it all out and we get 0.024 times 0.00050 plus x equals 0.015 minus x times 0.007 minus x. We then multiply this out and we get 0.000012 plus 0.024x equals x squared minus 0.0187x plus 0.00005555. We then bring everything from the left side to the right side to make the equation equal 0. X squared minus 0.0427x plus 0.000435 equals 0. We then plug it into a calculator, and A equals 1, B equals negative 0.0427, and C equals 0.000435. The two answers we got are x equals 0.041655 and x equals 0.00105. We throw out the larger one, and therefore x equals 0.00105. For PCl3, we plug it into these equations. And so therefore we get, for PCl5 we get 0.0016 molarity, for PCl3 we get 0.014 molarity, and for Cl2 we get 0.0027 molarity.
On a roll, it's time to go solo. Rolling, hit my 5.0, put my rag top down.